Okay, boat anchor here. Let's open a box. Alright. Pretty good box. Let's see what's in it. Paper wrapping. Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, yeah, well, at least it hit it up. Okay. Okay, where does it start? Right here. Okay, it's dirty. The clock is dirty. Okay, it's nice and free. Nothing's broke. That's good. It's got a little tiny, like a nick right there in the wood, but... Okay, let's go in and turn it on. If it works, it works. If it don't, it don't. $85. 85 bucks. Okay. Here we go. Will it blow up? Is the clock moving? And the clock is moving. I think they said it worked. Okay, here we go. AM on. Okay, on. Off. Auto. Alarm. Okay. Ah, wait a minute.
Here's something in the speaker. Dirty?
Oh yeah. The lights are working on. Well, at least this is loose. I could take it off probably and clean it. But anyway, that light's on. That light's on. That light isn't on. RF gain up, squelch off. Mic gain up. Okay, let me go see if I got it on. Oh no, I don't. I gotta turn it on. Okay, so all the lights are basically out in it. Let me hook a mic to it. Do I have a mic here? Probably not. No, or a pen. Okay. So, 3 pin, D104. when all else fails, kick butt. Okay. Volume.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. And the meter is moving. Okay, watt meter. Oh, hell yeah. 4 to 15 a.m. That's damn good. Okay, lower. I have to adjust the balance. Oh, it could just be picking up. Shit. Okay, upper. Up. Let me turn the mic in down. Dirty. Yeah. Yeah, there ain't nothing wrong with this. There ain't nothing wrong with this other than the lighting. Meter lights. The clock needs to be taken out and cleaned. Put all new lights in. There ain't nothing wrong with the face that I can see. Except for one little, see that little tiny gouge there. It's not bent up. These things are built like a tank. It's got the side speaker. It's got the knob. I need to clean this. Watch. See? Yeah. $215. That's right on the money. $2153. That's in the center, so. Okay. So 21. Yeah, I need to clean that. Let's see where that is. 0349, 035. 025. Full blast. Audio. Audio. Yeah, there ain't nothing wrong with this other than the cleaning. Gotta clean this chrome. If it's even possible, let's see. Oh yeah, most of that gunk will come off. That stuff there. Yeah, that'll come off. Okay, so there we go. Unboxing of another Simba. Needs some love. Lights. That light. Meter lights. All three of these. The transmit light looked like it was pushed too far in. The clock lights and clean the clock. And this is loose, so I might be able to take that off without cracking it. Yeah, see that? Come on, get up under there, fingernail. Alright. Yeah, I might be able to get that off of there. Okay, so there you go. And polish up all the knobs. They don't look too bad. They're just tar and cigarette smoke. Yeah. Okay. Boat Anchor CB radio repair with a evaluation of a Simba. Break.